What's going on, guys? So we got a new upgrade for the camper here. I've already opened it up. So we got a electric jack, 3,500 pound. I've never heard of this company, and so I hadn't installed it yet. We'll be doing that later, which would be like a minute from now, I probably assume. But the jack weighs around 22 pounds. Let's say it's about an $80 jack, and something I was wanting when I initially bought the camper here, but waited because I didn't feel like spending a bunch of money at Camping World for one. I didn't really see the need, but as you know, I mean, it seems like a pretty nice jack setup here. I mean, pretty simple. Like I said, 3,500 pound capacity. It's got two lights on either side here. Got your little switch down here. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna figure out what sockets or wrenches that I need, and that will be replacing the traditional manual crank tongue jack that we have here. And it also has a, in case something goes wrong with it so you don't get stuck, it has a manual crank tool here where you can still get the trailer up or down, so you're not, you know, stuck with not being able to get your trailer up and down like you should be able to. But to remove the bolts here, because I don't have a 14 millimeter oh boy, pair of pliers, but this should do the job. And what I've done is just, as you can see, I just put two car jacks on either side of the tongue here, and just let the weight rest on it. This way, when I pull the bolts out, I can just pull it straight up after I remove this, the base of it here on the bottom. And then we will install set the electric one up here, bolt it down, and run the wire to the positive on the positive terminal on the battery, and then we'll be set to go. So here they are side by side, the manual one, the electric one. There's the spot where it goes in, and actually these holes here are threaded, and this one here just comes straight out of the top. The two on the back here, they threaded in, and then they had a nut on the back of them to secure them, I guess, to make sure they don't, you know, back out over time. But we're gonna get it in real quick, and then I'll show you after what it looks like, how it works. It works good. You can see here it's got real nice light, and it lifts up good, lets down good. She works out great, man, so I'm very happy with it. The link will be in the description with all the info on this particular tongue jack here. I think the next thing we're gonna do is put the aluminum steps on here. I think we're gonna go with the 2-step MORryde, or either the 3-step MORryde, and see how those work out. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to do this quick video in case any of you was thinking about doing this. Very easy. It's a 14 millimeter bolts to take out on the tongue jack here. The Let me know if you need any help with anything. Please like, comment, subscribe.